Scheduling your YouTube videos, play at your perfect time. Do you ever find yourself scrambling to upload a video right before you head out the door? Wouldn't it be great to have your videos automatically published at the perfect time, even when you're busy? Well, fret no more. Scheduling your YouTube videos is a breeze, and this guide will walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Access YouTube Studio. First things first, you'll need to access YouTube Studio. This is the central hub for managing your YouTube channel. You can get there in two ways. On your computer, head over to YouTube and sign into your account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. On your mobile device, download the YouTube Studio app from the App Store or Google Play. Sign in with your YouTube account and you'll be good to go. Step 2. Upload your video. Alright, now that you're in YouTube Studio, it's time to upload your masterpiece. Click on the Create button and select Upload Videos. Choose the video you want to schedule and hit Open. YouTube will begin the upload process. Step 3. Scheduling magic. While your video uploads, let's get to the scheduling fun. Once the upload is complete, you'll see a screen with various video details to fill out. Don't worry about those just yet. Look for the Visibility tab. This is where the scheduling magic happens. Step 4. Choosing Schedule. Click on the Visibility tab. By default, YouTube will be set to publish your video immediately. But we want to schedule it, so look for the option that says Schedule. This might be a button or a text link, depending on whether you're using your computer or mobile device. Step 5. Picking your perfect time. Here comes the fun part, choosing the perfect time for your video to premiere. A calendar will pop up, allowing you to select the specific date and time you want your video to go live. You can also choose the time zone to ensure it reaches your audience at the right moment. Pro tip: consider your target audience and their viewing habits when scheduling. Some research suggests that weekdays in the afternoon or evenings tend to be good options, but the best time will ultimately depend on your specific audience. Step 6. Final touches and upload. Now that your video is scheduled for its big debut, you can fill out the rest of the video details like the title, description, and thumbnail. Don't forget to add some engaging tags to help people find your video. Once you're happy with everything, simply click Schedule or Upload Video on mobile and your video will be uploaded and queued for its scheduled release. Bonus step: spread the word. Before you head off, take a moment to promote your upcoming video. Let your viewers know when it's scheduled to go live by mentioning it in the video description or creating a community post on YouTube. You can also share the upcoming video on your other social media platforms to build anticipation. Like, subscribe, and share. Hey there, if you found this guide helpful, consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more awesome content. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who might also benefit from learning how to schedule their YouTube videos. P.S. This article was created with the help of artificial intelligence (AI) and some super smart smartphone technology. Pretty cool, right? Now you're all set to schedule your YouTube videos like a pro. Go forth and conquer the world, or at least YouTube, with your amazing content.